Good morning, myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome you all of you in LPM premises of class 11. Topic is elasticity, and we have already told you that what is the elasticity, regaining power of the body due to which it's regain its original shape and size. What is the plasticity and examples of elasticity and plasticity, stress, strain, types of stress, types of strain. Stress are two types, normal stress and tangential stress, and there are two bifurcation of normal stress, that is tensile stress, which is used in linear body, and normal and volumetric stress that is used in volumetric body, which is also normal stress. So there are two bifurcation of normal stress. Pressure is one of the bifurcation, and tangential stress, when force is acted along the surface and body and shape of the body is changed, then normally tangential stress is used. We already discussed all about it, and today's we will discuss about potential energy of stressed string. Potential energy of stressed string. Already we have discussed about potential energy of any body. Concept of potential energy is very important. It is used in 11th part, potential energy is string, potential energy is spring, gravitational potential energy, and in 12th potential energy of charge, that is electrical potential energy. All concept is same, that is work done by external agent in forming the system is stored in the system as a potential energy. This is the main basic concept of the potential energy. Work done by external agent in forming the system is potential energy. Is potential energy of the system. Work done by external agent in forming the system is potential energy of the system. This is the basic and real concept of potential energy. I will try to make understand you again by taking examples. So first of all, write it down here. Okay, can I run? Okay. Suppose this is a string. String say row. And an external agent try to deform it, that is want to increase the length of the rope or string, but he work very slowly. So slowly work done by external agent is stored in the rope as a potential energy. Suppose initial value of the rope is kept capital L and increasing length, say small l. So forming system from this position to this position, what is the work done by external agent? Slowly, that is without any acceleration. Then work done by external agent is stored in the system as a potential energy. Suppose at any time the elongation of the string is y, and external agent increase, force is in downward direction, force is in downward direction. So at this position, what is the force, restoring force acted by the string? We have already told you in Young modulus. In Young modulus, formula is F upon AN. In previous lectures, we have told you. FL AN. F deforming force, L initial length of the wire, A cross sectional area of the wire, small l, increasing length. This is the basic formula of Young double modulus. Young's modulus. So F equal to YAL upon L. If string is elongated up to length capital L plus small l, this is the increasing length, this is the initial. So at this position, when increment of the rope is y, so what is the F here? So F here equal to y a small y upon initial L. Increasing length is y here, so F will be this one at this position, and we have to increase the length up to 0 to small l. So suppose this is dy, differential length. External agent force is in downward direction. Displacement is is also in downward direction. So work done by external agent will be positive here. But you have to work slowly. This is the restoring force, and this is the force of external agent. This is the force of external agent, and both the value will be same. Without acceleration, you have to work slowly. So restoring force try to oppose the external agent force, but your force is suppose restoring force is 10 Newton in upward direction, so your force will be 10.00000000001 like that. So you can consider your force and restoring force is same. So your force and restoring force is same, then acceleration will be 0. So work done by external agent slowly in changing the configuration from one location to another location without acceleration is stored in the body as a potential energy. So suppose you have to change configuration from capital L to capital L plus small l, that is increasing length is small l. So at any instant, suppose elongation is y, at this position force will be by this formula F equal to y elongation upon original length. This is so a small work done by external agent in stretching the string up to dy. Differential work done by external element in stretching the rope or string up to differential length dy, differential distance dy. The work done by external element is differential work done, that is force and displacement are in same direction, so work is positive, so F into dy. So what is F here? Y A small y L into dy. But we have to find the work done by external element to be stretching up to length small l. This is the original position. So write down, first of all write down all the things. Can you have this portion? Okay. This is the differential work done by external element in stretching the wire up to differential length dy. It's a very small work done. So total work done in stretching from 0 to small l, that is we have to integrate it. So total work done. Total work done in stretching from original position from 0 to l. Exactly at original position, initial length is capital L, and at final position initial length will be capital L plus L. So you can say if we integrate from 0 to small l, then we have find the work done from elongation up to elongation L. Exactly. We have to find the work done by external element in stretching L length at L plus L. Its mean elongation is small l. So elongation is from 0 to small l. So in integration you should take the limit from 0 to small l. So you can say 0 to L or L plus L, sorry, L to L plus L. If we subtract L plus L minus L, then we will get smaller, same thing. Okay. So limit is from 0 to L. Suppose this is the origin. So how much length is increased? Small l. So origin to small l. So total work done, integrate the equation with proper limit. y upon L dy, limit 0 to L. Origin is taken from this position, and that coordinate is 0 and final coordinate is L. So 0 to L. So total work done by external element, take y A by L outside from integration y dy 0 to L. So we will get here W external is equal to y a by L y dy y square by 2 limit 0 to L implies that W external is equal to y a by capital L L square by 2. So this is the work done by external agent in stretching the wire from capital L to L plus L. I think we should write it in upward motion. Just write it down here. Can I rub this question? So from here to here, W external is equal to y a by L, y square by 2 0 to L. Solve it. W external is equal to y a by L, L square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. We get here y a by L, L square by 2. W external. Note it down. So this work done by external agent in stretching the wire from capital L to capital L plus small l is stored in the system as a potential energy. So you can write here, this is the potential energy of stretching wire y a L square by 2L. Basically this is delta U. As we know, there are change in potential energy. Potential energy doesn't exist without any reference point. So you should take one reference point and at another location you can find potential energy at another location with respect to that point. So one point is taken as zero potential level. Okay. So this is the formula for potential energy of stretching wire. So write it down. You can write different form of this formula. Y a by L, L square by 2 equal to delta. As we know, F equal to Y a Y equal to F L by A. We have already told you this formula, Young modulus. So F by A is equal to Y small l by L. F by A equal to small. Okay. So you can write here, if A should take here, So y a small l, y a small l, y a small l into l upon l to like that. You can break the formula in different type, different term, and this is for your homework. Next time you will be find the relation. This is half into stress into strain chi square, and a lot of formula can be derived from this formula. So in next lecture we will discuss about that. Today's class is over right now.